Hey everyone, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have this question. You have 10 seconds to solve this. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. So we have 100 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 2 parenthesis close times 2. So we will follow here the PEMDAS, or you can say order of operation, simple, nothing else. So first we will solve for this parenthesis, which is 2 plus 2, which will give 4 result here. So we can write 100 divided by 2 times 4 times 2. This is very simple. Many are writing in parentheses, but I'm doing shortcut here. Now, if you think like solving this multiplication first, then you are doing wrong, because multiplication, division, same priority, and we have to solve left to right. So here, all three operations which are division, multiplication, we have to solve from left to right. So in that case, first we have to solve this division part, which is 100 divided by 2 will give result 50 here. So we will write 50 times 4 times 2, and we will do multiplication. 50 times 4, that is 200 times 2, and 200 times 2 will give result 400 here, which is the right answer. And moving to this bonus question, we have again, first we have to solve this exponent part, because there are no parentheses, so we will do for exponent. So 2 to the power 4, if you raise 4, we can say 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, which equals to 16 here. So we can simply write, let's change the color here, yes. So we will write 16 divided by 4 times 2 minus 8 plus 5. Here we can see again multiplication, division, same priority, and we have to do left right, and after that we will solve these values, which is subtraction and addition. First we will solve this. 16 divided by 4 will give result 4 here, so we will write 4 times 2 minus 8 plus 5. 4 times 2 will give result 8 here. 8 minus 8 plus 5. Now here, as we can say, addition, subtraction, same right, and again left right. So we'll do left right. 8 minus 8 will give result 0 plus 5. So ultimately final result is 5. Like this video and watch please more, because if you want to train your brain, and subscribe us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.